one of the organisers of Copy Cabana, which was a copywriting conference that took place in Bournemouth in 2017. And they had a speaker pull out at the last minute. So he got in touch with me. This was a month or so after the course, and said, look, you've got an interesting story. Would you like to do a 10-minute talk about it? So I had no time to really think about it too much or get nervous, or no time to say no. So I just said yes and went down and took the opportunity, really. And it was great. It was really the kind of, not the sliding doors moment, but saying yes to that opened up a lot of support from people within the industry. It gave me a lot of confidence that I felt like I could now say that I belonged in the industry, that I was a copywriter. So it was good for me as much as anything. Building out the talk and writing that, even though I didn't have a lot of time to write it, was a nice period. I'm not a particularly reflective person, and it was a nice opportunity to kind of look back on how far I'd come in a short space of time, perhaps reevaluate some goals and why I was doing what I was doing. And then speaking about it publicly is quite affirmative. There's a lot of affirmation in that. It was great. So I had a really good time doing that, and that's one of the big reasons why the business has grown on since.
Well, that's the thing about speaking, isn't it? It's about putting yourself outside of your comfort zone and really kind of, as you say, just saying yes, get up there and do it without thinking about it.